Hello friends, welcome back to Premier Finds. I hope that you're doing well. Listen, I wanted to show you my latest Louis Vuitton purchase. Louis Vuitton came out with their Toiletry Trio on April the 6th, and I just happened to be able to get one. I went into my boutique. My SA told me that I could order it, and it came within 7 to 10 days. Let's dive right in, and I will show you what that looks like. One of the beautiful things about having a sales associate or a customer service advisor is that they give you lots of nice happies. Love the way she takes care of me and giving me samples. So we have that, and just for good measure. And I love these. These are nice so that before you jump in and bite the bullet, you have an opportunity to just go through and see which ones you like best. So a little backstory on this. Louis Vuitton discontinued the Trio back in, I think, 2021. And I'm going to share why they did that, why I think they did that. So I did open this, but I didn't really get to inspect them. This is the way that it comes. Big, beautiful box as usual. They never disappoint with their presentation. Open this way. Big box for such a small purchase. Okay. Put that back in here. All right, and here we are. This is the newly released Louis Vuitton Trio. Okay, now we have the 26 toiletry. We have the 19, and just as in the previous trio, the 15. So the difference in the newly released version is that they added some color. So in your 15, we have this beautiful like magenta pink, stunning. Okay, love that. And in case it matters, this was made in Paris, France. I don't care where mine is made. I want the quality to be right. So let's check that out. Zipper is beautiful. I'll take a deeper dive later, but again, that is the 15. Followed by the 19. And with this one, kind of like a poppy red. Kind of a poppy red there, love that. Like butter every single time. And then the most coveted in the bunch is the 26. And it has a beautiful little pink there, and I love that. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, Louis Vuitton discontinued this collection, and the word is they did that because people were taking the 26 and making it into a handbag. People were sticking in an insert that had D-rings on it, and then they would add a chain, making it a handbag. So Louis Vuitton decided to discontinue this trio package, and they came out with their own handbag version, if you will. And the way that they did that was that they gave you a chain and they made this side vachetta leather. For example, this is my Luco tote. They took the vachetta and put it on the side of the 26. Then they gave you a chain themselves with 2 D-rings on either side of the 26. And in addition, they put in some card slots. This toiletry bag is empty. It had no card slots. So again, they discontinued it, put D-rings on either side, gave you a nice chain, put in some card slots so that it was more of a handbag, but then they charged almost $1,800 for it, okay? This, prior to being discontinued, was around, depending on where you purchase it and in what country, was approximately $500 to $600. They more than doubled the price and then discontinued this. Well, people, I didn't see on social media or in reading it anywhere else that it was very successful. You can go on the website right now and see how they did that. Those items are still there and they are options for purchase. But April the 6th, they came back with the highly coveted trio. When they discontinued this bag in 2021, people were making triple triple of what the bag was worth on the pre-loved market and the consignment shops. People were asking a fortune. So people are very interested in obtaining this now because of the price point. It's $200 cheaper than it was in 2021. This retails for about $14.90, but they are beautiful, beautiful pieces. Do you need it? No, you don't. But if you have been thinking about stepping into luxury, this would be a nice introductory point right here. Let me tell you something, friends. As we approach graduation season, Father's Day, this would be a very impressive gift. If you broke up the set, put a couple of gift cards in there, and gave this to a new graduate, they would not sneeze at it, because if you broke it down, you're looking at about a $500 pouch with a couple of gift cards in there. I don't know anyone who would sneeze at that. So just keep that in mind. But if you are like me, these are for you, and I can't wait to wear them. I will do some deeper dives into these toiletry cases to show you what fits, how I am going to utilize them. I'm going to do that in another video, but I did want to share that I was able to score it. They're hard to find in the boutique. You typically have to prepay, and they will call you when they come in. If you are enjoying this type of content, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I appreciate you watching. Thanks, and have a great day.